Hi, I'm going to show you how to compare your content against a competitor's page to find opportunities for improvement. Let's start by looking at what this tool does. It compares both pages side by side, identifies what topics you're covering well, spots gaps in your content, and gives you specific recommendations to strengthen your competitive position. On the page, you'll see two input fields, one for your URL and one for your competitor's URL. Paste both addresses and click the Compare button. While that's processing, let me explain what's happening. The tool fetches both pages, extracts the content, and runs an AI analysis comparing topic coverage, keyword usage, and content quality. Now that the analysis is complete, let's look at what we've got. Both pages appear side by side at the top. Your content on the left, the competitors on the right. This makes it easy to spot differences in structure and depth. Below that, you'll find the AI recommendations. Each one includes a priority level. The tool explains what's missing, shows your current state, and suggests specific changes. For any recommendation you want to act on, click the Add to Kanban button. Select your project from the drop-down, and the task gets added to your action board. This keeps your improvement work organized and trackable. If you want to dig deeper, click the Detailed Analysis toggle. This expands to show scores for readability, authority signals, and user intent alignment. You'll also find a keyword analysis section here, showing your word count compared to theirs, your top keywords and keyword opportunities, terms the competitor uses that you might want to include. You can export the full analysis by clicking the Export button. The key to getting value from this tool is choosing the right competitor page. Pick content that ranks well for terms you're targeting, then work through the recommendations by priority. And that's the essentials of content comparison.